Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable JavaScript in the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu up in the top right corner of the Chrome browser and select Settings. In the search settings field, search for JavaScript, and then you want to select site settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Underneath content, go ahead and select JavaScript. Sites can use JavaScript. So if you want to allow websites to use JavaScript, you can select the first option here. The second option is to prevent websites from using JavaScript. And you can also set exemptions through either a whitelist or a blacklist here by selecting the corresponding add button next to whatever option you want to take advantage of here. And then once you're done making your selection, you don't have to click on OK or Save. It should automatically save the changes. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.